In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online with writing. As you can see here, I'm on this website, copywriter.com, and as you can see it says, we'll write any type of custom content. This includes articles, article rewrites, blog posts, product description, and even more. Here you can see, or are you a writer that wants to earn money from writing for iWrite, and that's what you want. You can build your own client base, earn up to $80 per 500 words once promoted up the ranks, which is very important. Write as much or as little as you want, so you don't have to be in contract for a certain period of time. So you can wake up when you want, you can start when you want, and you can stop when you want. And you can hit become iWriter today, and then you can start earning money. So how does it work? You can see here, you have to register for a free account. It's completely free. Then you have to enter in some information. Then you receive the content for a writer. And then as you can see here, you can easily earn money. There are already 114,000 of writers on this website and this much articles, almost 8 million. So this is definitely a great company to work for. So you can basically hit become iWriter today. As you can see here, just enter in your details and then you can easily make money online. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.